Okay, we are now on page 1, and in this page we need to use the map to answer the questions. First question, Charlie wants to stop by the toy store on his way to swimming pool. It is 8 blocks from Charlie's house to swimming pool. Okay, and then we write down on the map. From Charlie's house to the swimming pool, it is 8 blocks away. And then the question also said it is 3 blocks from the toy store to the swimming pool. And we draw on the map from toy store to the swimming pool 3 blocks. And then we need to find how many blocks is it from Charlie's house to the toy store. Let's look at the rocks under the questions. The yellow one represents the number of blocks from Charlie's house to the swimming pool, which is 8. And the green one represents the number of blocks from toy store to swimming pool, which is 3 blocks. And now we need to find how many blocks is it from Charlie's house to the toy store, which is the number of blocks within the arrows. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it is 5 blocks from Charlie's house to the toy store. And we write number sentence together. 8 minus 3 equals to how many? Yes, it's 5. It is 5 blocks from Charlie's house to the toy store. Okay, now we do question 2 together. Charlie wants to walk his cat at the park and then go to bookstores. It is 9 blocks from his house to the bookstore. And it is 5 blocks from his house to the park. And we need to find how many blocks is it from the park to the bookstore. Based on the information given by the questions, we may write down some clues on the map. From Charlie's house to bookstore, it is 9 blocks. And from Charlie's house to the park, it is 5 blocks. So we write down 5 on the map. And we look at the rocks under the questions. The blue one represents the number of blocks from Charlie's house to the bookstore, and the yellow one represents the number of blocks from Charlie's house to the park. And then we need to find the difference between 2 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is 4 blocks from the park to the bookstore. And we write down on the map. It is 4 blocks. And then we write down the number sentence. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. So it is 4 blocks from the park to the bookstores. Did you get the same answer? And now we are on page 4, and we look at question 2. Hilson has 7 basketball cards and 3 football cards. Martin had 3 basketball cards. Hilson gave 2 basketball cards to Martin. And we need to find how many basketball cards do Hilson and Martin have all together. Be careful, in the question, we only need to find the number of basketball cards. So some of the information we can ignore. For example, Hilson has 7 basketball cards and 3 football cards. Okay, the information about 3 football cards is noise. so we can ignore this information. So we just need to find the number of basketball cards. Hilton has 7 basketball cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about Martin? Martin had 3 basketball cards. 1, 2, 3. And the question is that Hilton gave 2 basketball cards to Martin. Okay, we move to cards here and we write down the number sentence together. Hilton has 7 basketball cards and he gave 2 to Martin. Is it plus or minus? Yes, it's minus. 7 minus 2 equals to how many? Yes, it's 5. Hilton now has 5 basketball cards. How about Martin? At the beginning, Martin had 3 basketball cards and Hilton gave him 2 basketball cards. And then 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now Martin had 5 basketball cards. And then we need to find the total numbers that Hilton and Martin have all together. Now Hilton has 5 basketball cards and Martin has also 5 basketball cards. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. They now have 10 cards in total. Actually, there is another alternative way to do these questions. In the beginning, Hilton has 7 cards and Martin has 3 cards. We add these two numbers together, 7 plus 3. It also equals to 10. The total number doesn't change. That means no matter how many cards Hilton gives to Martin, the total number of basketball cards they have all together doesn't change. It is also 10 cards. So in the answer, you may write 5 plus 5 equals to 10 or 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Okay, we are now on page 6. In this page, some children are playing dots game and we need to find how many points are there in all. Okay, we look at the first out questions and we look at the dots board. The children throw a dot to the area near the center. So she can score 5 points. She also throw a dot to the area which score 3 points. So she can get 3 points. And now we need to find the total score. She gets 5 points and she gets 3 points. So should we add together or minus? Yes, plus. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So the total score is 8. We are now on page 7 and we look at the second questions, the out questions. There are 3 moths and 6 pupils. 4 moths emerge from pupils. We need to find how many moths are there now. Okay, first of all we draw 6 pupils. So we draw it in green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pupils. And at the beginning there are also 3 moths. So we draw 3 blocks here. And then 4 moths emerge from pupils. So we circle 4 pupils. And they become the moths now. So they are now in yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to find how many moths are there now. So at the beginning, how many moths are there? Yes, 3 moths. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 moths emerge from pupils. So we add them together. 3 plus 4 equals to how many? Yes, it's 7. So there are 7 moths now. We're now on page 8 and we look at the out questions. Julie has 8 cookies. Her little sister, June, has 2 cookies. And then Julie gives 2 cookies to June. And we need to find how many cookies do they each have now. Before Julie gives 2 cookies to June, how many cookies does she have? Yes, she has 8 cookies, and June has 2 cookies. Okay, after Jolie gives 2 cookies to June, how many cookies does she have now? Jolie has 8 cookies at the beginning, and she gives 2 cookies to her sister. We minus 2. So what is 8 minus 2? Okay, we draw 8 cookies. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, she gives 2 cookies to her sister, minus 2. So we cross out 2 cookies. 1, 2. So how many cookies does she have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, she now has 6 cookies. So we write down 6 here. And then how about June? How many cookies does she have now? Okay, at the beginning she had 2 cookies. And then Julie gives her 2 cookies. So we plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals to how many? Yes, it's 4. So Julie now has 6 cookies and June has 4 cookies. We are now on page 9 and we do the our question together. Benny is thinking of a number. Read the clue to find out what it is. As you read each clue, you may look at the chart below. This is from number 1 to 100, and then you may cross out the number on the chart. At the end, you will be left with Benny's number. Okay, let's look at the first clue. This one. From this clue, we know that the number has 2 digits. Okay, according to this clue, we know that some of the numbers can be crossed out in this chart because this number don't have 2 digits. So which number should be crossed out, do you know? Yes, it's from number 1 to number 9 because this number don't have 2 digits. They only have 1 digit. So we cross out 1 to 9. Okay, there's still one number doesn't match with this clue. Do you know which number is it? Yes, it's 100. We can cross out 100 because 100 has 3 digits. 100 place, 10 place, and 1 place. So in the 100 place, we write 1, 0 in 10 place, and 0 in 1 place. So 100 has 3 digits and should be crossed out in this chart. And then we look at the second clue. It said both digits are greater than or equal to 5. What does this mean? Okay, we take 10 as an example. Okay, we look at number 10. The digits in number 10 are 1 and 0. So both 1 and 0 is less than 5. So it doesn't agree with the second clue, so we can cross it out. Okay, let's look at other number. Okay, from 11 to 19. In this number, the digits in the 10th place are also 1. So 1 is less than 5, so we can cross them out. And from 21 to 29, the digits in 10th place are 2. So again, we can cross it out because it's also less than 5. Okay, from 31 to 39, yes, the digit in 10th place is 3. So we can also cross it out because it's less than 5. From 41 to 49. Okay, the digit in 10th place is 4, and we can cross it out. Okay, and then we look at number 51 to 59. And we look at 51 to 54 first. So in this number, the digits in 10th place is also 5, but the digit in the 1 place are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they are also less than 5. So we should cross them out. Okay, from 55 to 59. The digit in the 10th place is 5. And the digits in the 1 place are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It is also greater or equal to 5, so we don't need to cross them out. Okay, next we'll look at number 61 to 64. Again, the digits in the 10th place is 6, but the digits in 1 place are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these numbers are also less than 5, so we can cross it out. From 71 to 74, it is also the same because the digits in the 1 place is less than 5, so we can cross them out. Again, 81 to 84. Okay, the digit in 1 place are also less than 5, so cross them out. Okay, from 91 to 94. Okay, the digit in 1 place are 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5, so cross them out. For the other numbers, for example, from 65 to 69, 75 to 79, 85 to 89, and 95 to 99, we don't need to cross them out because both digits in this number are greater than or equal to 5. And these agree with the second clue. Then how about the other numbers, such as 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90? Should we cross them out? Yes, of course, because the number in the 1 place are also 0, and 0 is less than 5, so we can cross them out. According to the first and the second clue, many numbers has been crossed out. Besides these numbers, 55 to 59, 65 to 69, 75 to 79, and 85 to 89, at last 95 to 99. They are also matched with the first and second clue. And then we look at the third clue. The 10 digits is greater than the 1 digits. Okay, as we all know, if the number has 2 digits, there's a digit in the 10th place, and there's a digit in the 1 place. Okay, take 55 as an example. Okay, 55, the digit in 10th place is 5, and the digit in the 1 place is also 5. Okay, the digit in the 1 place and the 10th place is the same. So the 10 digits is not greater than the 1 digits, and it doesn't match with the third clue, so we can cross it out. How about 56 to 59? Also, the 10 digits is not greater than the 1 digit, so we can cross them out. How about 65? The 10 digits is 6 and the 1 digit is 5, and the 10 digits is greater than the 1 digit, so we don't need to cross it out. And then we look at number 66 to 69. Okay, 66 to 69, the 1 digit is also greater than the 10 digits, so we need to cross them out. How about 75 and 76? Okay, the 10 digits is 7 and the 1 digits are 5 and 6. The 10 digits is greater than the 1 digit, so we don't need to cross them out. And then we look at 77 to 79. Okay, the 10 digits is 7 and the 1 digits are 7, 8 and 9. Okay, the 1 digits is greater than the 10 digits, so it doesn't match with the third clue and we cross them out. Okay, and then we look at 85 to 87. Okay, the 10 digits is 8 and the 1 digits are 5, 6 and 7. The 10 digits are greater than the 1 digit, so we can keep it and don't need to cross it out. How about 88 and 89? The 10 digits is 8 and the 1 digits are 8 and 9. Okay, the 1 digit is greater than the 10 digits, so you cross it out. And then we look at number 95 to 99. So from 95 to 98, the 10 digits is greater than the 1 digit, so we don't need to cross it out. 99, the 1 digit is equal to the 10 digits, so we cross it out. According to the third clue, many numbers have been crossed out. Besides 65, 75, 76, 85, 86, 87, 95, 96, 97, and 98. Which number is Benny's numbers? Okay, let's look at the fourth clue to get the answer. Okay, you know that the sum of the digits is 12. What does this mean? Okay, we take 65 as an example. Okay, 65, the digits include 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 equals to how many? Yes, 11. So the sum of the digit is 11 but not 12. So cross it out. How about 75? 75, that means 7 plus 5. It is equals to 12, so circle it. 76, 7 plus 6 equals to 13, but not 12, so cross it out. Okay, 85, 8 plus 5 equals to 13, cross it out. 8 plus 6 equals to 14, cross it out. 95, 9 plus 5 equals to 14, cross it out. 96, 9 plus 6 equals to 15, cross it out. 9 plus 7 is 16, it's not 12, so cross it out. 98, 9 plus 8 equals to 17, so not 12, cross it out. So which one is Benny's numbers? Yes, 75. The only number hasn't been crossed out, so Benny's number is 75.